Listen to the podcast, The Mysterious Pidgin Language, by Oxford Reading University, Level A2. Today, we talk about a special language. It is called Pidgin. Pidgin is a simple way to talk. Many people use it in some parts of Africa. Let's learn about its origin. Let's see how people use it. First, what is Pidgin? Pidgin is a language. It is not like English or French. It is a mix of languages. People use it to talk when they do not share the same language. Pidgin is easy to learn. It has simple rules, no hard grammar, short words. Many pidgins exist in the world, but today we focus on West African pidgin. It is also called Nigerian pidgin or pidgin English. Millions of people speak it. In Nigeria, over 75 million people use pidgin every day. They use it at home. They use it in markets. They use it with friends. Now let's talk about the origin of pidgin. Where did it come from? Pidgin started long ago. It began in the 17th century. That is more than 300 years ago. European traders came to West Africa. They were from England and Portugal. They wanted to buy things like gold and spices, but they did not speak African languages. Africans did not speak English, so they needed a way to talk. They mixed English words with local words. Local languages like Yoruba and Igbo added words. Over time, this mix became pidgin. It was for trade. It helped people buy and sell. Later, it grew. People used it more. It became a real language for daily life. Pidgin changed with time. In the 19th century, more British people came to Nigeria. They brought more English words. Pidgin got stronger. After Nigeria became independent in 1960, pidgin stayed. It is not the official language. English is official, but pidgin is popular. It is a lingua franca. That means a bridge language. It connects people from different groups. In Nigeria, there are over 250 languages. Pidgin helps everyone talk. It is fun. It is fast. People say what they think quickly. How do people use pidgin today? Pidgin is everywhere in West Africa. In Nigeria, Cameroon, and Ghana, people speak it. They use it on the street. They use it in songs. Musicians like Fela Kuti used pidgin in music. Now rappers and singers use it too. Pidgin is in movies. Nollywood films have pidgin. People laugh at jokes in pidgin. It is also in radio shows. Hosts talk in pidgin. Listeners call in and chat. In schools, kids learn English, but outside, they speak pidgin. It is a language for friends. It is casual, not for formal papers, but it is growing. Young people love it. They text in pidgin on phones. Social media has pidgin posts. One interesting thing is the BBC. The BBC is a big news company. It is from Britain. They publish articles in pidgin. Why? Let's explain. In 2017, BBC started BBC Pidgin. It is a website and radio in pidgin. They do this to reach more people. In West Africa, many people speak pidgin. Not everyone reads English well. Pidgin is easier. It feels like home. BBC wants to give news to everyone. They cover stories from Africa and the world. They use pidgin for that. This helps people learn news in their own way. It is popular. Millions visit the site. They read about politics. They read about sports. They read about stars. BBC Pidgin makes news fun. It uses simple words, short sentences, like pigeon. Let's look at examples of written Pidgin. Here is one from BBC Pidgin. It is about AI experts. Now, one group of influential AI experts been published the details of how ego be, or the scenarios. Way dem call AI 2027, and this don cause plenty viral video to trend as people. They try torchlight the mata to discuss way the possible. What does this mean? It says a group of AI experts published details about future scenarios called AI 2027. This caused many viral videos. People discuss if it is possible. Another example, using mainstream generative AI tools, BBC SEF Dawn creates some scenes of how it be, from DI scenario way the research publish to show the prediction. We also speak to some sabi people about the impact way the paper they get. This means, using AI tools, BBC created scenes from the research to show the prediction. They also talked to experts about the paper's impact. See, Pidgin uses English words but changes them. Bin means have. D means the. Peepo means people. It is fun to read. It sounds like talking. Why is Pidgin important? It connects people. It keeps culture alive. It helps in business. In markets, sellers use Pidgin. Buyers understand. It is a language of unity. In a big country like Nigeria, Pidgin helps peace. People from different tribes talk easily. It is growing online too. YouTube has Pidgin videos. Podcasts use it. Books are written in Pidgin. Even the Bible has a Pidgin version. This shows Pidgin is strong. But Pidgin has challenges. Some people say it is not proper. They think English is better for school. They say Pidgin is slang, but others love it. They say it is real. It is African. It is not from colonizers. Pidgin is evolving. Young people add new words from internet slang, from local languages. It stays fresh. The BBC helps Pidgin grow. By publishing in Pidgin, they show it is important. They reach young people, they reach women in villages, they reach workers in cities. News in Pidgin is clear. No hard words. Everyone can understand. This is why BBC does it, to make news for all. Let's think about Pidgin more. Have you heard Pidgin? Do you speak a Pidgin? In other places, like Hawaii or Papua New Guinea, they have Pidgins too. But West African Pidgin is big. It has over 100 million speakers. That is a lot. Would you like to improve your level of English? Download the Iwa app and take our English courses and listen to the audiobooks for all levels. Study every day, have fun, and speak English with the confidence of a native speaker. Check out appiwa.com right now. Did you like this podcast? Send it to a friend who is learning English. And now, here's another amazing story for you.